Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or, just talking to you after everything has already happened, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, then I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. Okay, I have an order at 14.10 to pick up puts, so this price needs to come up a bit more. And as it pulls back, we'll see if it wants to recover back upwards. And I am trying to buy, so I'm trading options for those of you that are unfamiliar with what you're looking at. If you'd like to learn more about options, just let me know in the comment section. I do offer a completely free class on it. I think it's like a 15-20 minute video called The Big Basics of Options to just get you a little familiar with them. So if that sounds of any interest, then like I said, let me know in the comment section and I'll send you a link to that. But all right, I'll pause for now. Have an order at 17.80 if this thing wants to pop back up here a little bit more, play the little range that seems to have formed. In there and out for a quick little $50 scalp. Like I said, just playing that range, nothing complicated there at all. So 50 bucks, and I don't know, what was that? A couple seconds. So I'll take it. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, I have an order at 14.10 for some puts. Price needs to come up a bit more. Okay, I think I can get 13.50 now. So let's see if we can get this thing to just surge up one more time and hit me at 13.50. All right, I will pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. Okay, I have an order at 15.10, change strike prices in. Again, in at 15.10. And out there for a $80 move. Let's see if this thing wants to come up again. Would be interested up around 446.25. So let's throw an order out at 11.10. See if this wants to push up just a bit more. I guess that's right where it got rejected, that red line, huh? So I wasn't even close. That's the thing with options is you never quite know what the option price is going to be when the stock price is at a certain level. Whereas if you're trading stocks, right, if you want to get in at a level, well, you would just type in what that level is. But with options, it's not quite that black and white. But options are also, so that would be, right, that would be a con to options. A pro would be just the capital requirements are a lot less. They can move very quick, as you've already seen a couple of times here. So everything is filled with pros and cons. But yeah, that was, I mean, that wasn't even close. That was actually embarrassingly 11.10. I was trying, red line. I said, not even close. Okay. Well, if anything, the power of charts right there, that red line was in there. You saw it that's where it got rejected. And that's all I needed. I mean, from a scalping standpoint, that would have been a nice little trade. But all right, well, I will pause and I'll keep a close eye on it. But I am now up 130 on the day. Have an order at 14.10. Again, a bit of a guessing game here going on. So I think 13.10. More of the accurate area. Yeah, I like 13.10. Let's see if we can get up there. This is based off of the 5-minute, which is off screen there. So that's what I'm actually watching. Let's see if we can go up just a bit more. All right, I will pause. Okay, I'm at 1250. Getting close. Oh, that was a move I needed. Go to 12 or 1180 now. Close in. Out for another $80. Very good. I think I'm going to change strike prices here. So that's why these prices down here all of a sudden got higher, because I just simply, in options lingo, I changed strike prices. So let's go to 1920. Just throw it out there in case there wants to be a surge up there. Far away now, but again, like I was saying earlier, options are very fast. So it may not be as far away as what it appears right now. But all right, there we go. Another anticlimactic trade. Now up 210. I will go ahead and pause. Okay, I have an order at 1870 in. Again, in at 1870. Change that to 19 at this point. And had to hop out. Not as good of an entry point as what I thought it was. So not to the point where I needed to take a loss or even go for a break even, but I did need to accept the fact that, okay, not as good as I thought. Now, of course, we can sit here in hindsight and watch it and maybe I would have been okay. Well, I got to actually stop talking right now because throw out another order in case this move continues. Yes, again, not as good as what I thought it was. Therefore, and as of now, I'm looking pretty smart. Because I don't, from what I saw, I would not have been out at my original target, which was 1920. Okay, maybe. This has got to go up over 1920 though for me to be able to say, okay, yeah, all right. So in hindsight, I would have been okay. But again, that's hindsight. And that just goes to show that, sometimes you're not going to get the best entry point. And I realized, Clay, what are you talking about? Because you would have made money. So yes, in hindsight, that was a good entry point. But in the heat of the moment, it wasn't looking like that was as good of an entry point as what I thought it was. So like I said, does that mean that, at least within my strategy, I need to concede and okay, I got to just take the loss right now? Doesn't mean that, okay, we'll just go for break even. No, it doesn't mean any of those things. But it did mean okay, I can't go for as big of a gain as what I was originally trying for. And sometimes that happens, but we'll see if this thing wants to keep on pushing up. Oh, 1570 here. Let's see if we can get potentially filled up around there. I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 1510. Okay, I'm gonna go to 1410 now. I got the surge that I wanted, but didn't quite go up enough to fill me. So I'll have to adjust it back. Right, down a little bit more when I say back. All right, I will pause. Have an order at 1550 here. Okay, let's go to 1470 now. Look through for a quick flush fake break of that 200 period moving average at pink line. Or who knows, maybe it's not even going to test it at all. We'll see. I'll go ahead and pause. All right, so that is all I have. I'm going to go ahead and call it good. So 4 trades, all relatively anticlimactic, minus that final one where I had to kind of just wave the white flag in a sense and not quite go for as much as what I wanted to. But overall, added up very nicely, 270 with commissions. Let's call it, I don't know, right around 250 on the day. So not bad for sitting around in my underwear. I'm pressing some buttons, so I will take it. and hopefully you had a good day too. So like I said, I will call it good. And if you enjoy these live trade videos, do a couple things for me. Please hit that like button, leave a comment below. Those two things communicate to me that you're enjoying. And as long as I know that you are, as a viewer, are enjoying, then I will continue to do these videos because they're not easy at all. I mean, try to go out there and trade live while you talk and make alerts and think for yourself and have to manage a trade. There's a lot of stuff going on. So I don't ask that for pity. I just bring it up to add context and why I do seek your feedback on whether or not you enjoy these. Because if people are, then I'll continue to do them. And a very easy way to do that, like I said, hit that like button, leave a comment below. So thanks for watching. Take care and enjoy yourself. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.